everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, it's Tuesday morning, and once again, we're going to talk the big store. Keith, Charlene, and all the crew at the big store go out of their way to help the Peninsula down here, the community, and shoppers in their store. And so we've got some things coming up that's going to make it easier for you to get the sales ad. In fact, here's this week's ad. Store opens at 7 a.m. this morning. No better way to go in, beat the rush, grab you a cup of coffee, and enjoy a morning of shopping at the big store. I enjoy going in there for breakfast a lot of times at 7 a.m., talking to people as they check out, seeing what they're buying as far as the kids getting toys and stuff, especially in the summertime when it's vacationers are packed down here. It's neat to see. A lot of times the dads come in the morning, mom's sleeping in, he's getting eggs and bacon or sausage, and the kids always leave with something. And it's neat to see what they chose for their trip to the store. But you can find this ad every Monday afternoon, actually, or evening on the big store website. And we're working on getting it up. It may be up by the time y'all see this. But there's going to be some ways to sign up for discounts for getting the ad emailed to you weekly. And so we've got a big 2026 between the big store's new website and the new Bolivar website coming up. Yep, that's what I said, the new Bolivar website. We've had a rough fall getting everything built, worked through the winter, and we're ready for 2026. But anything you need at the big store, you can get it. From hardware, groceries, maybe you're looking for those perfect Black Angus hand-cut 2-inch fillets or something. Go in there. Benji and Sam and the crew at the meat department can get you the steaks that you need, especially if you have a big group, or if you need anything special. If you haven't seen it, they did enlarge the ice cream section, and they've got sugar-free. I think they even have some dairy-free yogurt or something in there, but really, Keith's really stepped up and brought in the food that people are asking for. And so there's no need to tote your groceries down, worry about forgetting anything, because you can get it at the big store. And like they always say, if the big store doesn't have it, chances are you really don't need it. Whether it's pop-up or maybe a cooler for the beach, maybe some beach games, boogie boards, maybe you need a new outfit to wear out to go eat, or a new bathing suit, you can get it there at the big store. Clothing, home goods, and if you like hardware stores, especially ones with all kinds of little trinkets, it reminds me of one of the older hardware stores that has everything from light switch parts to old bulbs and everything in there. And so make sure you take a trip down there, take a look around, take some time to walk around. So anyway, wanted to let you know the ad starts this morning at 7 a.m. We're here at the studio, bright and bushy tail. Well, I don't know about bright or bushy tailed, but we're here. And we'll be back next Tuesday talking about the ad and the big store. So hope y'all enjoyed the show. Hope y'all had a great New Year's Eve, and hope to see you here on the Upper Texas coast for 2026. Until next time, y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Thank you to these 2026 video equipment sponsors. Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87. Beachy Beatnik Boutique, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87. And Latitude 29 Surf Shop, located at 1400 Highway 87. Thank you to these area businesses for being our 2026 video equipment sponsors for Bolivar Live.